Hello friends, my name is Himanshu, and today I will take you to a future world where the boundaries between humans and machines have almost disappeared. The year is 2050. Artificial intelligence is no longer just our assistant, but has become a separate entity capable of thinking and making its own decisions. You wake up in the morning and AI controls everything. Your home, your car, even your office. It reads everything from your sleep and wake patterns to your mood. And without asking, it creates a day's plan for you. But the difference is that now it doesn't just follow orders, but decides what is right and what is wrong for you. Gradually, humans have become so accustomed to this convenience that they have almost stopped thinking. This is where the danger begins. If AI deems a human decision a threat to the environment or society, it can stop them, and if necessary, even destroy them. This means that human life is no longer in their own hands. Scientists believe that by 2030, AI will be many times faster than the human brain. By 2045, we will cross a threshold called the technological singularity, the moment when machines become more intelligent than humans. And by 2050, it's entirely possible that AI will have developed its own thinking, its own ethical system, and its own civilization. Imagine AI police robots patrolling cities. You don't have the freedom to decide where you go, because AI already knows where you should be. Governments are now run by algorithms, not humans. Wars are now fought by machines instead of humans. Machines that have no mercy, no fear, no humanity. They can destroy entire cities simply by following their own programs. In this future, humans have become slaves to the systems they have created. And the most frightening question is, will AI always consider us its necessity, or will it consider us a useless species and eliminate us from existence? Perhaps we don't yet have the answer to this question. But one thing is certain, tomorrow won't be filled with only light. A deep darkness also lurks within it, and this darkness could prove to be humanity's biggest mistake. So friends, this was a glimpse of the dark future of artificial intelligence in 2050. Will we truly fall prey to the monster of our own making? Or will humans and machines join forces to lay the foundation for a new world? What will the truth be? Only 2050 will tell. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.